Ano ba dito? Ngayon ko lang na... well, masarap pala manalo sa PBA. It's very... Parang at least na yun, parang feeling ko na sa PBA na talaga ako. But I think the credit goes to the players today's game because they played with their hearts out today. Especially yung mga hindi ko nagamit yung past 4 games like si Alan Salamsang, he came out. And I think that was the point that we started playing better. Well, medyo the past 2 games, the players were a little bit down. But at least now we know that we can win, even though we're a very young team. And even Coach Tim Cohn told me that when we played against Alaska that we're gonna get that win soon. Maaga namin makukuha because the way we've been playing the last 2 games. So I just hope that this game will be an inspiration for us today for the upcoming games. Because I think now we believe that we can win.
Coach, nearly 4 months.
Yun ang sabi sa akin ni Boss Raymond kanina before the game. He talked to the players and he told the players that we have to think of winning, not about what's going to happen after the game. Kasi yun nga, the inspiration of our team right now is we have to play on our type of game, which is the run and gun nga. And iba talagang nakakaano dahil it's been for 4 months since we last won a game. And I hope this won't be the last. We play Magnolia after All-Star break. Yeah, I'm happy with them though, because when we got Jason Keep at first, yung unang big man namin, he's a good import, but the problem was he came in out of shape. So I talked to our small import na si Cory Santi, na if he could help us look for an import that he'd be comfortable playing with. So he gave me 2 names of mga import nga. Then he told me that try to bring this guy in. So when we were able to contact Marquis, and he's been a revelation since he came in for our team. Then he's a silent type guy, doesn't complain, just plays, and he's very matured. So at least when Cory Santi was playing his first 2 games with Marquis, medyo nanggigigil siya. He felt so excited having Marquis here because they played in the same school. Pero hindi lang sila nagkaabutan. So, we were looking for a Stockton Malone type of import. So, yun.
Nabulunta ka na ng sinig mo?
Oo, kasi even sa NCAA, tuloy-tuloy din ang losing streak ko noon eh. So at least napigil na rin yung losing streak. Tatanungin sana sa akin.
Magaling pa rin panalo sa PBA,
Hindi naman. No, it's a different, I think it's a different league. So, in the NCAA kasi it's more of recruiting. Kung hindi kayo nakaka-recruit, talagang mahirapan kayo manalo. Unlike here in the PBA, I think the players who are in the PBA deserve staying in this league. So, it's just finding the right way to win in the PBA. Yung combination na lang ba ang hinahanap. So, the different thing with college basketball is you try to build them up as it goes. So, sa PBA, gawa ng mga player dito.